In this video, we're going to talk about how you can add family to Uber Eats. So what you want to do is first load up the Uber Eats app like this. And once you have the app open and you have logged into your account, we want to click on account found in the bottom right corner. So from here, what we want to do is focus on this section. So it says family and teens, teen and adult accounts. Once we click on it, it's going to show us a little something like this. So take care of your family, want to pay for your loved ones, create a family profile by inviting an adult or teen. And what you can do is pay for your family, use a shared payment method. You can get updates. So when somebody uses your family profile on Uber Eats, you will get an update. So if they order food, you will also know. And you can manage up to 10 teens or adults, so your entire family. So what you want to do is just click on invite family here, and if you have successfully linked a payment method, you can input their email address, and this is going to send the invitation. And what they have to do from their end is accept the invitation, and this is going to link your accounts. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.